Hi, I'm Dr. Misty Henney. I'm a general dentist at the Glen Dental. I'm also a Healthy Start provider. I have a younger daughter who has had some sleep problems in the past, some bedwetting, snoring, and that's what prompted me to become a Healthy Start provider. It's a great service, especially if you have a child who isn't sleeping well, waking up looking tired, maybe not focusing in school, snoring, grinding their teeth. It's a really simple appliance called a habit corrector that does just that. It eliminates the poor habits to create better breathing. There's also an additional step to the program that helps the adult teeth erupt, sometimes eliminating the need for braces. And we'd love to see you for a consultation. It's a simple 5 to 10 minute scan. We ask you some questions about your child, and we look forward to seeing you. Thank you.